So this video is about confidence and how it might actually be a bad thing for your health. So a lot of people have in their minds that they're healthy when, even though they know they might not be healthy by either the food choices they make or the exercises that they actually do. But for whatever reason, they continue to keep doing that because they have the confidence that, oh, well, I feel fine now. Like, I mean, maybe my body will let me know when I'm gonna have a heart attack or something. It's like, no, it doesn't work like that. So you shouldn't be waiting around for a major life event like a heart attack or stroke to start changing what you're doing today, because it's so easy to build up that confidence of just the same repeated actions of either eating the same junk, like some fast food or overly processed stuff, when really, if you're eating, I mean, there's this misconception that if you eat carbs or if you eat fruit, like the sugars and all this stuff and all that is all so bad. It's like, well, compare that to like one meal at your favorite fast food spot or something like that. I'm sure a couple of grapes isn't gonna be the same comparison as like a large milkshake or something like that. So it's kind of weird that we all have this high confidence in that, oh, well, our health is fine, you know, we don't have a lot to worry about because, well, I don't feel anything bad right now. But I mean, your body's not going to give you a warning sign like when you're about to have a heart attack or maybe a stroke or anything like major. So sometimes it's actually better to have a pessimistic view on your health, because that might actually help your longevity, because you'll be more focused on taking care of yourself, because it might not ever be enough, you know. You'll either be trying to exercise more, when obviously like too much exercise isn't beneficial if you're overdoing it and just burning yourself out and keeping your body in constant stress. It's all about finding the right balance with that. But if you have more of a pessimistic view of your health, like say, okay, my leg hurts or my knee hurts, you might go and get that checked out. Whereas if you have too much confidence, you'll be like, well, it's just gonna be like that, or it's normal, it'll just it's just I'm getting old or something. When if you got it checked out, maybe you could get something replaced, repaired. Maybe you might be able to get some health advice as to why it might be happening instead of just like dealing with it. So there's lots of things that we could be doing to increase our competence, and might be beneficial to reduce that confidence, because we don't know everything, but I know that if we eat better, if we exercise, if we stretch, and do it actively, you reduce the risk of potentially bad things down the line. I think people just get so wrapped up in their confidence that they overlook their actual competence, if that makes sense to you. But at the end of the day, just make sure you're taking all the right steps to be a healthier person. Easier said than done, but maybe you can view things in a different way by knowing that what you put in is going to only help you in the end, and maintaining and keeping up with it can be the hard part. But the more you do it and you see the results, or you start feeling better, you'll be like, oh wow. Like, I mean, I know when I started losing weight, I didn't realize how like in how much pain I really was until I really got going and like started feeling better. It's like, I know so many people are like, oh man, I don't see how you can run and do all this stuff after work, and I don't know where you get the energy. And it's like, well, I built up that energy from doing those things. I wasn't running 5 miles after work when I first started all this stuff. So it takes time. Like, you just gotta keep with it. And that's one time where the confidence is a good thing, because you gotta know that it will get better and you'll get more energy. You'll be moving a lot more. And obviously, once you get a little bit better, then you want to do more. And then keep up with all the goals and things that you're doing. But yeah, sometimes just take a step back and realize that sometimes we overlook the kind of obvious, and sometimes the truth hurts, like, of being like lazy. I know I was lazy, and usually that's a lot of people's issues when it comes to working out. But once you recognize it, I mean, staying present with that, and it's only going to help you in the long run, knowing that there's always more to do. But once you have too much confidence in what you're doing, or in being complacent or anything, that's when you're really limiting like your potential growth, and nobody wants that, right? Anyways, have a great day, and as always, don't feed the zombies. Have a good one.